Okay, everyone, do not destroy fire alarms. If you destroy fire alarms, you are going to get in big trouble because you are responsible for replacing it. Because you're the one who broke it. You tampered with it, you painted it, you destroyed it. It is your job to replace that. So you will have to pay the money for a new alarm because you're the one who broke it. Why do you have to replace the fire alarm if you break it? Is because fire alarms are very serious devices that save people's lives and they must work at all times. Remember, fire alarms are the difference between life and death in a fire emergency. So, if you break it, you have to replace it. Bye.